at Alila Marea Beach Resort.
Alila?
Oh.
Alila, Marea.
Alila. We have a fire pit outside. We got here past 8, so can't really see outside.
Birthday weekend. Somebody's beep years old.
Are you happy with the bed?
Nice. It's pretty good.
Just take a bite. Wow. It's like a real burger.
Yeah.
It's pretty good for a Beyond Meat. Someone's super excited because she can crawl everywhere. I'm gonna get breakfast. Would love to drink some coffee on this balcony.
She looks like she just woke up.
She did. She fell asleep. She fell asleep as we were leaving.
Give me your first hug. Oh, she's crying. Oh, okay, we want to go to daddy, is there? Okay. It happened, Kay. It happened. Doesn't it feel interesting?
And Sophia's sleeping.
Is it a photo or video?
It's a video.
Okay.
Uh-oh, somebody's awake.
He's awake. Hey, Sophia. Good morning.
Doesn't matter.
So cute.
Yeah, she's like this. Hey. Hello. Smile.
You know what it is? Also, you know what it is? The hair is prickly. Do you think she'll like the bubbles? Let's check. to go get him. Oh.
He's an actor on Ghost Hunters.
Oh, he is? Did you like the bubble? You liked it?
It's pretty cool because they are nice enough to let you sample all of the ice cream.
Alright, this one right here is going to be our ascot. This one is going to taste like a mint chocolate. We have mint base with a little bit of
Go ahead, Jen. We got lucky too. It wasn't that busy yet, and then the line got really long after we got our ice cream.
We're getting closer.
Alright, we're getting
Just watching us eat the ice cream and she wants to eat now.
You know what? She smells like she pooped. Do you think? She has great timing. Can we smell?
Was it Kate?
I mean, there's a good
Is
chance.
do you smell?
But she was here.
Oh, but that's there.
I think it was her. I think it was drool.
Probably.
I hope, or we're gonna have to go to the dry cleaners like a real one.
She did?
Huh? She did? Oh, hey, I have the wipes. Okay, ready, guys?
Yes. Right here? You guys want to come in? Oh, what you doing? Oh no, the video! It's all like, oh no! She reached out to me and then she
We are at Target to go buy some dish soap to wash our bottles.
Is there like a mini detergent?
What was that? The first item? Was it a carne asada burrito?
Yeah, carne asada California burrito.
Okay, perfect. Anything else for you?
That's it.
Thank you.
You know, if anyone's good at relaxing at the hotel, it's her. All fed and changed, right? I'm gonna go to the fire pit later, outside. So we got tacos El Gordo to go. We actually got lucky. We found the only drive-through, I believe. We wanted to go eat outside, but the chairs are soaking wet. The California burrito. And what makes a California burrito is that it has, is it French fries or tater tots?
French fries.
Birria taco has like broth in it. So there's broth, and then here's the taco. Oh. I'm guessing this is the fish taco because it always has like that coleslaw. That looks like a chorizo, and this looks like carne asada. You smell the food, don't you?
You just poop. Are you pooping? Good job. We did it. Teamwork makes the dream work.
Look, Sophia.
Oh, wow.
I am so excited about these sugar sticks. We are back in the room. We got lost. We took the wrong path at first and ended up right at the beach where people were surfing. But then, okay, we found the right path. I kind of wish that we used the pool because it was heated. I could see steam rising from it. That seemed like fun. But it was a good walk. I didn't expect to be walking uphill, so it was cold outside, but I got so sweaty so fast. It was a pretty short walk.
Also, when you were here,
Yeah, did you see me?
no, you should have told me so I could go out to the ledge and...
I did. I texted you.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oops. Shit, hold on to my sock.
Yeah, she loves socks. Let's see. Let's log this. Bless you.